All right, the guys are covering up a quad pack. We're using our 6A stone. Here in Michigan, that is a 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch stone. We're using the round rock. Why do we want to use round rock? We want round rock because it doesn't compact. If you buy crushed stone of any kind, it compacts. You know, it's all jagged and got flat surfaces. Round does not compact, it stays loose. That's why here in Michigan we use crushed limestone for driveways. It compacts real nice, but you don't use natural stone for driveways because it's like driving on marbles. Perfect example, you know, right there. So you want your drainage stone to not get compacted, you want it to stay loose. You want your quad pack, you know, big stone is not going to help pack in your quad pack. The big stone, the whole purpose of the big stone was the bigger voids. We would rather run more high octane than put grapefruit sized stone in the ground. So we already got the void. We already have enough void to move a ridiculous amount of water. That box has been checked with a quad pack. The smaller stone, it really locks up your quad pack. It holds it nice and tight. All right, so that's nice to walk on because you don't have these big baseball, softball size. I mean, to get the kind of void that we're getting out of a quad pack, that would take some ridiculous size round rock. I mean, we fooled around with 4 to 8 inch cobble. We're flowing more water with 4 of the high octane. See, the high octane, because of how big the inlets are, the water just passes through the pipes, just travels through the pipes. Now, we have been used to, okay, the water's gonna go down the pipe. No, it moves horizontally, vertically. I mean, it just moves through the quad pack and then to the bottom where our discharge is gonna be taken out to the front yard. Now, we do have 2 big maple trees back here, and we got to deal with them. So we are running the Boffman dual wall. Dual wall means it's corrugated on the outside, smooth on the inside. It's dual wall. Culvert pipe, super, super strong. We can run that right through where those big maples are with some PVC tape on any connections, the double-belled couplers, so the tree roots can't hurt this pipe at all. All right, guys, until the next video.